Hello. So when I heard that Google Gemini's chat, Gemini, how do you say it? Is it? I'm gonna call it Gemini. Okay. So when I heard about Gemini's chat assist being code assist being public, um, I got really excited and I decided to download it. I tried it out, and as soon as I downloaded it, the first thing I saw was that there is a privacy policy, and it says that um, Google collects your prompts, related code, related feature usage information, everything is being collected. All right. Now, I'm not under any assumption that OpenAI does not do all of this when you try to use ChatGPT, right? Let's not be naive. But then when you see it explicitly being stated over here, it feels a bit jarring. And this, allow Google to use this data to develop is checked by default. So you might never see it. Okay. So you have to uncheck it. And even after you uncheck it, I'm not sure that it is going to be respected. Um, Call it skepticism, cynicism, whatever you want it. But that's when I decided I would go back to my original stack of using Ollama and Continue. Okay, Continue not as a verb. Continue is a visual code extension. Ollama is a um, model orchestrator, let's call it. It will let you download large language models locally depending on the scale of your system, depending on your system's capabilities. You can download models of different sizes and you can use them locally. Okay, so you can download it from its official website here, and then you can choose whatever models you want to download. Okay, so how do you download a model? You can click on any of them and you'll see the command over here, Ollama run deepc. First you have to install Ollama, and it's available for all three operating systems, Windows, Linux and Mac. I am using a Mac right now, but I've done it for Windows as well. Now after you've got your models, you can just say Ollama list, and right now I have two models, and my machine is an M1 Mac, so I'm not going to be overly ambitious. All I'm using is Llama 3.2 right now. Okay, so I have this right now. How can I use it in Visual Code, right? VS Code. I download this extension called Continue, and let's start a new chat. Once you have downloaded Ollama and set up your models, you can associate any of your models here, right? If you have a GPT-4 subscription, great, you can put that as well. But you can associate your Ollama models as well with Continue, and you can have it auto detect, right? Then it will tell you what all models you already have, and you can select one of them. And we are going to use Llama 3.2 here. And I've written this small sample code that can accept two sides of a triangle and tell you the angle between them. Standard hacker rank problem that I wrote for this example. And let's see if we can do something here, right? First I'll use one of its context managers. Let's say code files. Which file? This file. Okay, and I want to ask you a silly question, like instead of square root, what could I have done? Right, I could have used the exponential operator and said do it by 0.5. It will still have the same effect. See, it's pretty elaborate and it's decently fast also, right? And it's using Llama 3.2 locally. Will it I can have it apply it and it will make the changes as well. So Ollama plus Continue is a pretty deadly combination. Okay, and I can also reject the suggestion. I think, I've never really accepted a suggestion. I've always just looked them up and then made the changes myself. But yeah, that's a decent option instead of using Google Gemini and Claude or Anthropic, or you don't even need cursor at this point. All you need is Ollama and Continue. So yeah, there you have it. If you have any questions, let me know. See you. Oh, bonus track. one thing I forgot to mention is instead of using Ollama, you can use LM Studio. And this is a little bit more UI friendly, user friendly. UI friendly. What is UI? What is UI friendly? Okay, user friendly, but it is UI heavy, which is why I don't use it, because I feel like it would be a little bit more resource intensive than I want, and I would like to use my resources for just actually compute. That's why let's pick whatever we want, right? And whatever your operating system can support, whatever your system can support, and tell me how it goes.